Hello guys, welcome to the channel Health Tricks and Tips in English, the best pregnancy-centric channel. In the previous two videos, we discussed about the 14th week of the pregnancy and then the 15th week of the pregnancy. This video is about the 16th week of the pregnancy, that is approximately the 4th month of the pregnancy. And in this video, we will understand about the baby's development so far, what all changes a pregnant woman would see, what problems would come and how to resolve them. Few tips about it we will discuss at the end of this video. So let's start with the development of the baby in the 16th week of the pregnancy. So organogenesis of the baby, that is the development of the organs, have completed by now. That means all the internal organs of the baby have now formed, but now the increase of the size and the development of the organs will be there. So by now you can see that the baby is moving properly inside the womb. This is seen in the ultrasound. The baby's hair have grown longer. You can see the clear hairline on the baby's head. All the critical organs and the systems of the baby are now functional. The nervous system, the cardiovascular systems are now functional. The baby's eye movements have started, but the eyelid are still closed. That is, the eyes are still closed. Then the baby cannot open the eyes by now, but only the inner movements of the eyes have started. By now, the baby is able to move the fingers, the hands and legs easily. As the baby is growing, the strength of the baby's bone is also increasing every week. This time, a pregnant woman would require more of the calcium, because this is the time, that is in the 16th week, the baby's bone production and the development would require more of the calcium. If you see the sonography or the ultrasound, the baby's bone inside the womb appear as bright white, and this is because of the calcification on the baby's bone. If you talk about the length, now the baby's length is approximately 7 inches. If you talk about the changes and the problems seen in pregnant women, in the 16th week of the pregnancy, the pregnant woman would see certain discomfort because uterus come bit upwards. However, there is a relaxation in the frequent urination because now the urinary bladder is bit relaxed and the problem of visiting to the toilet again and again settles a bit. Your body is having good flow of the blood, and due to which you can see swelling problem. Some of the veins may dilate and they can be visible as well. Some pregnant women would report about the bleeding gums and the nose bleeding problem, and it is a quite common problem during the 16th week of the pregnancy. For this, you should be in consistent touch with your gynecologist, who may make you understand about all these situations or the problems that will be coming to you and how you have to prepare yourself for all these problems. By this time, the baby has started moving, but the movements of the baby are not that much strong. If you are the first time mother, then these movements are not easy to be felt by you. However, if this is your second or the third time pregnancy, you have an experience of feeling the movements earlier as well. You can even feel the movement of the baby in the 16th week of the pregnancy. These movements are not strong, as we have already said. These movements are actually called the quickening, that are very low intensity movements, and it is not easy to be felt by everyone. However, if it is your first time pregnancy, it will take some more weeks. Approximately in 24 weeks, you would feel the baby's movement clearly. So this time is not standard time, because some pregnant women, maybe they are becoming first time pregnant, they can feel also the movement by the 18th or the 20th week. So it depends, anytime between this 16 to 24 week of the pregnancy, you may feel the baby's movement inside the womb. So if this is your first pregnancy, do not be anxious. I have told you the range between 16 to 24 weeks, anytime you can feel the movement. First, you will be confused whether this is baby's movement or not, because you would assume that this is the formation of the gas, the bloating is there. So to be assured that this is baby's movement, it may take few weeks more for you. By this time, your gynecologist would advise you to go for an ultrasound if everything is going okay inside the womb. If the baby is behaving the same way, the baby should behave in the 16th week of the pregnancy. The problem of itching, stretching are always there, started from the 15th week, and it will continue to grow in the 16th week as well. So the earlier remedy that we have told in the 15th week video, that is you have to apply a mix of moisturizer, olive oil and coconut oil all over your body, and the prominent parts like stomach, thighs, because they are more prone to expansion. This time you may feel an often pain in your lower abdomen. So do not innovate yourself. Do not do any work for long hours. Take small breaks whenever you are doing any long task. It is very important for you to take a rest in between whatever you are doing. Keep changing your position if you are sitting for a long time. Stand up, move for 5 minutes, then you can sit back. Similarly, if you are standing for long hours, then you have to sit for some time. So keep changing your position, because it will be very helpful for you to maintain the flow of the blood. This will also help in reducing the problem of swelling in the body. Whenever you're sitting, make sure that your legs are a bit elevated and they are in level with your stomach. For this, you can use any stool, keep a pillow onto it, and then you can place your legs. So to have a level of your feet and your stomach approximately in the same level. When you're sleeping at night, as we have told you to keep some pillows under your legs, this will be helpful in resolving the problem of swelling. And you have to do this thing daily, because if you will be frivolous and you skip doing these things to resolve the problem of swelling, the swelling will be enormous on your legs and it will give you pain and will be difficult to cure afterwards. So try to reduce the daily swelling by doing this activity of elevating your leg and make the swelling go down. You can also go for the massage. For massaging your legs, you can use any oil. You can have a direction of massage that from down you have to go up. In this way, you have to massage so that there will be a proper blood flow to the upper region and the swelling will go down. The problem of swelling is quite common during the 16th week of the pregnancy, and to counter it, you may use stockings. There comes the leg compression stockings in the market. You can go for it. This is quite helpful to alleviate this swelling problem. They're quite easy to use. You just have to wear them like socks so that your legs are compressed a bit to resolve this problem of swelling automatically. So friend, this was about the 16th week of the pregnancy, about the baby, the problem a woman would face and how to resolve them. We have made 2 earlier videos on 15th and the 14th week of the pregnancy. If you have not watched those videos, kindly watch them. This was all in this video. If you have enjoyed watching this video, kindly press the like button. If you have not done it, kindly subscribe us and follow us. Also share this video for a broader reach. Thank you very much for watching. We will connect in another video on pregnancy. Till then, peace out. Stay happy. Stay healthy.